In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ad blocking in the Brave browser. If you're looking to speed up your browsing, cut down on visual clutter, and keep trackers at bay, Brave makes it simple because ad and tracker protection is built right in. We're going to confirm that protection is enabled and set to a balanced level so most sites work smoothly while unwanted content is filtered out. Start by opening Brave and going to Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called Shields. This is Brave's centralized control panel for privacy and content blocking. Inside Shields, find the option labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. Select Standard. That's it. This sets Brave to block known trackers and most intrusive ads without being overly aggressive, and it takes effect right away. Let's talk about what this actually does. The standard level focuses on common tracking technologies and ad domains that slow pages, follow you across sites, or interrupt your browsing. By stopping these in the background, pages often load faster, videos can start sooner, and you'll usually see fewer pop-ups and banner ads. Because it's the balanced choice, Standard aims to preserve core site functions like logins, comments, and embedded media, which can sometimes break when blocking is too strict. If you're curious, Brave also offers a more restrictive mode, but the standard setting is a great default for most people. It gives you solid protection and a comfortable browsing experience without having to fine-tune anything. You don't need any third-party extensions to get these benefits, and you can always revisit this setting later if your needs change. A quick note on site behavior. Some websites rely on advertising to function or may detect that you're blocking ads. Standard helps minimize disruptions, but if a page asks for special permission or something seems off, it's usually because the site is checking for trackers. In those cases, knowing where this setting lives makes it easy to review your choice later and decide what's best for you. To recap, go to Settings, open Shields, then set Trackers and Ads Blocking to Standard. You now have Brave's built-in ad and tracker blocking working on a balanced level, designed to keep your web experience fast, cleaner, and more private without extra setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, safer time online.